We had wanted to go to South by Southwest for a while now. It's a great opportunity for students and junior professionals to network and make connections.
These are people you're meeting in the industry and people who have brought their films to South by and premiered there.
It's a 9-day-long event combining film, TV, and all things media.
It's a celebration of these industries all at once.
And they all come together for audiences to enjoy.
We work with American Pavilion to fund packages for all the students and send them as a cohort.
South by Southwest is my first big industry festival.
Pacific provided us with a platinum badge, which was the highest badge possible at the event. We had early access to some screenings, including like Y2K. We even saw Daisy Ridley's Magpie, which she produced and directed.
Monkey Man by Dev Patel. He talked about the journey of making this movie. There was a lot that he went through. Jordan Peele was sitting like 2 rows away from us.
Experiential learning to me is paramount to the type of program that we run. Meeting industry professionals, meeting stars, meeting directors, getting advice from them on how to actually navigate the industry is immensely valuable.
I was able to attend these mentor sessions and gain insight from people who are actively working in the industry.
What I most liked was like the talks that they would give. The directors for Everything Everywhere All at Once, they were there and they gave a talk that I think was inspiring on how to create a story, how to engage the audience.
You meet a lot of people from different backgrounds who all have like different types of stories that you kind of interact with.
You're meeting other young professionals and students who you'll later work with.
Attending these networking opportunities allowed me to know how to market myself.
What was most valuable to me was spending time with my friends. It was like a cathartic experience. It feels like you're on like cloud 9 the whole time for a whole week.